Hi, sixth graders. We had to have a kind of a change of plans for today, so we are going to do a virtual lab called Day, Night, and Seasons. And so this is going to get you thinking about what causes the seasons. So you have the lab packet that you got in class, and so we'll read through most of it together, but I just want to show you where to find the information when you need to fill in the data tables. So what you'll do is from Schoology, click on this link. Or from the agenda, and it will bring you to Schoology. And these are all the links that you're going to need. So on the first data table, on the second page, it's asking you to find the day length and then the average high and average low. So you'll need to use two websites to do that. So these first group of websites right here is for the hours of daylight. And so for Quito, Ecuador, I would click right here to continue it. All right, and then this website will come up. Well, I can't make this any bigger now. Okay, well, it looks like this. So what you're going to do, it asks you to find it for different dates in 2017. So you scroll down until you get down here, okay? So right now it's May of 2022. So my first date I need to look for is March 20th, 2017. So I'll click here, go to March, and then 2017. And then hit go. Then I got to scroll back down, and then it will tell me the day length for all of the days in March. I'm going down to March 20th right here. And this column right here tells you the length of the day. So it's 12 hours, 6 minutes. So I would write 12 hours, 6 minutes, or 12.06 in the box for Quito for March. Then to go to the next one is June, so I hit June 2017 and hit go. And I do the same thing. Go down to June 20th. All right, 12 hours, 6 minutes I would write in there. And then I do the same for September and December. To get then to the next city, I have to go back to the Schoology page and click it for St. Louis. All right, and it looks like I have the wrong link on here, but I'll fix it before class. We need the Argentina link in there as well. Okay, and so you should be able to get data the same way for the day length. All right, for average, high, and low, you're going to use these links down here. So we'll click here. Okay, and then we'll just use the monthly averages. Don't worry about the year. So I'd start with March. So here's for Quito, the average high is 67, low is 51. Then I'd go to June and do the same thing. And then September and December. Then I go back to the Schoology page for the links for St. Louis and Buenos Aires. All right. Then on the third page, it asks you to look for the altitude of the sun. So we're going to go back up to these links up here. Okay. And now I'm going to go back down to the part I was at before, put my date in. So I want to know for March 2017. And hit go. Now what I'm looking for is down here under the column that says solar noon, there's a little degrees in here. So I would go down to March 20th. And so my degrees for that would be 89.7. And so that's what I would write in there for the altitude of the sun. Then I would switch through the dates to finish that for Quito. And then the other links for the other cities. All right. So let me know if you need help with that. Otherwise, have fun.